Hello everyone. So in the last video I have talked about my review. In my first month I got 2 review, and also in my first month I actually earned 5,000 taka. So my goal is right now is 10,000 taka to this month, to earn this month. So actually that was my revenue. That was my revenue, 5,000 taka. And this month I want to do 10,000 revenue, and I want to actually increase it. If I can double it every month, that it is very nice. But I think I can double it, and that is not very hard. That will not be very hard to do, because I already started to run ads and testing. I made last day I made promotional video, and it was not that good, but I actually edited it and put some music, background music here and there. So I think this is a little bit better than before, so I think it should work. If it doesn't, then I have to test a lot again. And so right now I have some money, so I can actually think long, and I think I can take some bets. So, and from that, one thing will work, I hope. And if one thing works, then I can earn 10k this month, and that will be not, that won't be very hard. So I am targeting 10k this month. Wish me luck, and see you in another video.